Hi everyone, we're live from the Florida Tow Show in 2019 here in Orlando, Florida. My name is Jeff and we're with Jerr-Dan. And to my left here, I wanted to show you our 50-60 ton rotator on a 2019 Pete 389. It's a 5-axle with a 535 underlift, the JFB body style. JFB body style stands for Jerr-Dan Fire Body. And it came from the fire department where we use the roll-up doors to keep a clean line of sight in the traffic so the tower can see oncoming traffic. And everything in this truck has a home for it, all neatly packed.
Cool. So let's look at some stuff.
All right. So one of our key features is to be able to get the tower in and out of his truck as fast as he can. And the way we do that is by completely organizing the toolboxes in this truck. So for example, if you need your heavy duty straps, these just pull down with no effort. Then when you're done with it, you put them back up and quickly get rid of them. If you're looking for a chain, we're the first ones with the chain rack. You can spin this rack around until you find the right chain you want. So you're not fishing through milk cartons or milk crates or other boxes looking for a certain chain. Again, snatch blocks, easy access right here at a level where it doesn't hurt your back. The whole design of this truck is designed behind the tower. Quickly grab your forks. More straps, all at reachable levels where you're not breaking your back. Nice and organized. More snatch block storage, more other storages where you need. You know, first aid kit, helmet, gloves. You can store about anything here. This is more storage over here. You have your control lever. It's real easy. Simple, basic, to allow the operator to control the boom 360 degrees. It's light up and it's made orange so you can be seen from the scene. So if you put it down on an outrigger and you don't lose it, comes complete with battery packs and a fail-safe system. This is a tool that a lot of the towers are going to help them light up the scene when you're on the side of an accident on the side of the road. We want to make sure that everybody is safe with the light. Coming up over here in the night scan system. So as they pull up on the scene, it's dark, it's late at night, they want to be able to see the scene. This is a great product by Wilbur. Yeah. We'll turn. Light it up, and then they can change the direction of the tilt. And they can light up the scene and they can work and get the job done as quickly and efficiently as possible. It can go up higher. And then at the end of the day, when they're done with the job, it just automatically shuts themselves down. This truck has equipped with Ramsey Hercules winches. It has the 530 under reach on it. On the complete control, one of the things that Jerr-Dan has done for years is had dual controls on both sides. All your lights can be worked from here. Your outriggers, your safety locks are all here. Yeah. One of the newest features for us is the 50K drag that's on the underlift here for those really tight jobs. Sure. So yeah, this truck has 5 winches, 2 mains, 2 wings, and then the underreach.
What's going on the other side?
Well, let's take a walk. We do a lot of special details, from the stainless on the back to the chrome lighting to the stainless up top. This is all done within our factory. Pull and play. It's completely accessorized back with all the tools that they need to complete a job. And complete toolbox, lock and grind. Again, everything is designed to get the tower on and off the site. Tow bar, blocks, and again, like I mentioned earlier, complete set of controls.
That's great. So from the buyer standpoint, what do you guys do for the buyer? He comes in, he says he wants a certain setup. What do you guys outfit him with?
Well, basically they have multiple options that they can do. It depends on what their business is. First, we want to understand their business and understand what they're trying to do with the truck. Some people have required they need to tow more. Some want to just do recovery. Some might use this as their only vehicle that they want to go out to the scene. Some might bring multiple vehicles out. So depending on what they want to do, we'll set it up. So if the guy comes in and or the business comes in and says they want, they do all their towing on the right-hand side of the truck. They want all the towing features on the right-hand side of the truck. This is a complete plug-and-play system where we can just, they want the toolbox over the right-hand side, we'll move it over. So our goal is when the customer comes in and makes the purchase as large as this is, we want to sit them down, understand their business, understand how they want the truck, and we want to deliver it right upon them. So we're going to ask them everything from where do you want your toolbox, your shackles, your straps, your chains. Everything is going to be asked where they want it and how they want it to operate. Some may not want the pull down shelves like this. They may want, excuse me, they may want stationary shelves. Some may want these mounted in front here. They want more space in here. And we have a complete mounting system in here. You take the spreader bar here, for example. If you come over here, this particular customer, this is the spreader bar, so they'll use this with the rotator. He wanted mounted so when he raised the boom up, he'll pick it up, his spreader bar, which weighs a few 100 pounds, and he'll pick that up. Some want it mounted on the back where the light is, so we really can customize these to how the customer wants. This comes in multiple configurations. This is our 5-axle configuration. We can do it without the drop axle, just the two rears, the two fronts. We can do a single steer without the dual steering system. We can do it with a sleeper. We can do it however the customer wants. We can eliminate the tunnel. We can change the tunnel size, whether they want a bigger tunnel, smaller tunnel, or they got state restrictions where it's got to be under 40 feet or it's got to be under a certain weight. This is what we call a single base platform. We can take this 50, 60 ton rotator and meet any state requirement with it without have to downsize in the capability that Jerr-Dan brings to the customer.
That's cool. So on the inside, in the cab, are there any control features that you guys do?
Sure, yeah, come on down. First of all the chrome lighting we do, it can be changed. The doors can be changed from the different colors. You can do multiple colors. This body has a limited lifetime warranty against cracking, weld, and defects. And then the doors all come with a 5-year, and then structurally we come with a 5-year warranty with the structure. So again, from the factory, we will add all the accessory lights that all the truckers love. Everything from the windows to the drop visors, to anything you see on here that's got chrome accessories that you would see in the aftermarket world. We do that. The customer tells us what they want, how they want it, and we'll do it, and they'll come pick the truck up with their distributor however way they want it. So this truck is quite unique. This has an Allison automatic transmission in it.
And explain to the viewers why in this setup an automatic would be favored as opposed to a manual.
Well, I'll tell you what, the automatic transmission is becoming more and more popular in our industry. It works from driver fatigue, from finding the right drivers, to really just getting the maximum out of the truck. These guys are going all hours of the night, whether it's 2 in the morning or 2 in the afternoon. This really helps them get to where they want to go. There's no loss of power with an Allison transmission today. I know a few years ago, many years ago, when I first got in the business, everybody thought they would lose power from an automatic transmission, and you really don't. You actually gain. They're smart transmissions today, so they learn your driving habits and patterns, and they start optimizing your engine with the automatic transmissions to get the best performance out of it. This particular customer is in the heart of Connecticut, where there's a lot of stop and go, a lot of traffic, a lot of accident scenes that they've got to be on the ride. So it made more sense to go with the automatic transmission at a higher cost, but they get the features and benefits of it. And it's everything from driver sustainability to getting better shift patterns out of the truck. So one of the things that we do here, and I'm going to climb up and I'm going to make sure I don't step on the sill. You never want to step on the sill.
Now, there's a certain person that says that, so you might as well give him a plug.
Yeah, my man Richie Gutman, he doesn't live it. If he catches you stepping on the still, you're going to be in a lot of trouble. So we teach everybody at Jerr-Dan that this is sacred. And if you can see the detail level we put into this, it's painted purple. We take this off, and we take the detail at the time to make it purple to match the rest of the truck. So for us, we have a standard way we like to do our trucks. One of the things is we want to make sure it has the right front ends, from a 22 front end to 52 rears with new way suspension. But most importantly, we want to make sure once the operator gets in the truck, from a Jerr-Dan standpoint of view, we make it as simple as possible to operate it. And it's just a matter of, he can pull out of his garage or pull up to the scene and just hit one button without taking his line of sight off the road, and all the lights will come on, and he can pull up to the accident scene and start his recovery. Hit the PTO, hit his lights, and get out of the truck and start the recovery and get the highways open as quick as possible.
Very cool.
So we can take this from the wood dash to the chrome dash to the chrome wraps to the wood floors. There's not much that we can't do at Jerr-Dan to give the customer that detail level that they want. This one is equipped with a train horn. It is pretty cool.
There we go.
Yeah. So we'll give it just a little detail. The end user, the gentleman that bought this, James Modzelewski, that was just a little surprise gift for him. So when you're coming down with a 42-foot truck coming down the highway, like this bad boy is coming down, you want people to know you're coming. So we're excited for the customer. This is his second Jerr-Dan 5-axle rotator. He was actually one of the original guys that we designed the 5-axle for. So we're pretty proud of this truck.
Awesome. So tell the folks who you are, what they can do if they got some questions, they can contact you.
Sure. I'm Jeff Erm, the Senior Director of Sales and Marketing for Jerr-Dan. And if you're interested in a Jerr-Dan product, contact your local distributor. We have over 44 in the U.S., and they'll be glad to help you out. Everything from a rollback wrecker to a light-duty carrier, all the way up to our flagship truck, the 50-60-ton Rotator. I want to thank you, Chris, for the time, and thank you guys. I love the show.